This project should be undertaken with parental or adult supervision to ensure a safe and enjoyable experience.
Hello guys! We're so happy you liked our crayon crafts that we decided to try and make some more.
Then let's get started!
I have no objections.
Sue, are you sure about that? I mean, you should use paint on the canvas, not crayons. And definitely not glue.
But our picture is going to be very special, Sammy. You'll see. Alright, let's glue this one. This. Ha!
That's modern art to you?
Sammy, it's not finished yet. Stop being so sarcastic. You better look how beautiful it is. Now we need to wait for it to set. In the meantime, I'll prepare the second part of our picture.
Oh, flowers.
Yes, Sammy, we're going to glue these artificial flowers to our green stems.
Susie, that's a radical new way to create 3D pictures.
I'm glad you like it, Sammy. Do you like it, guys? You can combine colors any way you want. Hey, Sam! We're crying out loud! You can't just throw trash around! Actually, we need a cup like this for the next craft. We'll put a candle wick inside.
Sam says he's sorry for littering.
Alright, I forgive him.
Hooray!
Let's break our wonderful crayon into pieces and add some more colors. It'll be very beautiful!
Did you say beautiful? I want to make something beautiful too!
Go ahead! This is the combination of colors I have.
And this is mine!
Great! Now we need to melt everything.
And while we're waiting, you have time to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell!
Ding ding! Done! Let's release our creations from their paper captivity!
Alright, give me a second.
Now it's time to play sculptors for a little bit. Be careful with the cutter, guys. We need to cut off the wax pieces shaping the candle like a magic crystal. This cutter isn't working.
This one should work.
Thank you, Sammy. Let's give it a try. It really does! There!
Here's mine!
So beautiful, Sammy! Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Sam's candle.
Susie, some of our glitter crayons broke!
What shall we do? Let's try to fix things. First, we'll divide the crayons in groups by color. And now, hop! We melt them. Be careful with this stage, guys.
I sense that you'll need this now.
Sammy, you never stop surprising me.
Well, it's my job to always know what you need. Be careful, Sue! The wax is very hot!
Thank you! I'm so lucky to have you! And our new crayon is ready!
Wow, just my size!
Also, it's very convenient and beautiful.
Come on, Sue! Careful!
Yes, Sam. The baking tray is really hot, so I'm using oven mitts.
Good for you! Here's the paper!
Good. Let's carefully put it on the pan.
Don't forget to secure it!
Thanks! I'm glad you're on good terms with masking tape so you don't stick to it anymore.
Well, it's all about experience.
Oh, we're going to get some new experience right now. We'll draw a picture with crayons on a hot baking tray.
I suppose our canary cook wants to know the recipe.
Yeah? Well, we'll use her crayon for sure. When the picture is set, you can remove it from the tray.
And put into a frame.
Right! Pop! Crayons on clothes?
It's just wow! Do you agree, guys?
I do agree. And to prove it, I'll draw the word wow on my t-shirt. First, let's secure the template on the t-shirt. Now we need an iron. The iron is very hot. Ask an adult to help you with this craft. Protect the iron surface with foil.
Here come glitter crayons.
Right, Sammy. Look, it's so cool! Let's apply our melted crayons to the t-shirt. There we go.
It's just some weird stain.
We should just wait a little while it sets. And now, carefully. Ta-da! Look, it's amazing!
Guys, give a thumbs up if you like Sue's new t-shirt.
Guys, which crayon craft did you like the most today? Wonderful, everlasting crayon flowers? Magic crystal-shaped crayon candles? A convenient thick glitter crayon? Our amazing picture made on a baking tray? Or a crayon drawing on a t-shirt?
Write in the comments and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.
Bye-bye!
Bye!
See that, Buggy? When the last leaf falls from a tree, it means that winter is on its way.
But it was so warm out yesterday. I wanted to go swimming.
You're a beaver. You always want to go swimming.
Oh, so that's why.
Trust me, Buggy. Winter is coming.
Thank you for helping me with these rose bushes, Lilac. This should keep them warm through the winter. It's getting cold already. Good thing I brought out my winter outfit. No time for fashion talk. Has anyone seen Daffodil? We were supposed to clean up leaves together, but she never showed up. I'm worried. She probably just overslept. Let's go and wake her up. What if Daffodil went to get some honey, and there was an accident in the beehive causing a great big honey flood, and she got stuck in it? That's not going to happen. Daffodil, you home? In the kitchen. See, Thistle? She's fine. Wow, you must have been knitting all night.
Good morning. Thistle, sorry for not showing up to help you, but this is really important.
Daffodil, please stop knitting for a second. What's going on? And why is there yarn everywhere?
Can't stop. I might drop a stitch. Knit one, purl two. Oh, but I also need a few more things. Could you all help me out?
Doing what? You're being really mysterious.
I know I am, Thistle. This is kind of an emergency.
Oh, well, now you're speaking my language. What do you need?
Here's my list. The sooner the better. Thank you. Goodbye.
5 barrels of natural dye in purple, pink, blue, and black. Where does Daff think we're going to get that much dye?
We could squeeze the last of my brambleberries and maybe get a bucket of purple.
Done. Thank you, Thorn. 5 bushels of soft, fluffy cotton. Oh, brother.
Oh, I have a box full of dandelion fluff. Would that work?
Close enough. Done. Thank you, Cap. 5 baskets of fresh pondweed? I give up.
Me too. I'm no closer to figuring out what she's making than before.
Well, whatever it is, it's important to Daffodil, which makes it important to us. So let's get to work.
Come along, waddle, dunk, dawdle. Put your pondweed into the basket. Stop it! Oh, you! No more nonsense. The lily buds are waiting.
1 basket half full. Done. A basket each of sassafras leaves, red clover, and elderberries. Officially done.
We have to crush the berries to make dye the yarn, roll it in a ball, and take it to Daffodil. Still no idea what she's making.
I guess we'll find out soon.
Thistle!
I think it's time to have a little chat with Daffodil. A mysterious blob. A giant yarn monster must have made this.
There's no such thing as a yarn monster. I'm sure Daffodil knitted this, whatever it is.
Maybe it's a sweater for some, large creature she met.
There's no holes for arms, or legs, or a neck. What kind of creature would wear this?
Whatever it is, it's so not her usual lovely work. Exactly. It looks kind of useful in some way. Probably. Yes, Rose. But it's also another example of Daffodil's creative spirit, and yet it's hideous.
Visitor in the park, it's the furry one. Prepare to be drooled upon.
Oh no! The blob! Everybody, hide! Hide!
Buddy, come on, boy.
All clear!
Hi, everyone. So, what do you think of my newest creation?
Actually, Daff, we're not sure what to think. Maybe you could tell us now.
That was close. Something wasn't completely hidden. The furry one could... Whoa! What is that?
My knitting won't bite.
Do we know that for sure?
What this all means is, usually you knit something stylish or creative or interesting, not a strange big blob.
Blob?
Oh no, I've hurt Daffodil's feelings. We all did. We have to think of a way to make it up to her.
Yep, I'd say that a cold winter wind will blow in by afternoon.
But I don't like to be cold.
Bucky, you have to accept the change of the seasons. Now let's pick some berries and get cooking. Huh? Keep going.
That was the only berry left.
What? No, it's too soon.
But didn't you just say we have to accept the change of seasons?
Thorn, we need you to make some of Daffodil's favorite berry bread right away. It's an emergency. Oh, too late in the season.
No, winter's not here yet. Best I can do. Can't force nature.
Thorn's berry bread smells delicious. Daffodil can't stay upset for long.
Wait, a note. Dear friends, thank you for being honest about my knitting. I have gone for a walk. Love, Daffodil. P.S. Also, thank you for the snack. Please leave for later.
How did she know we'd come by with a snack? Spooky.
She knew we'd feel bad because she'd feel bad if she hurt one of us. That somehow makes me feel worse. Is anyone else cold?
You know, it may be hideous, but it sure looks warm.
Lilybuds, the furry one is back. Hide yourselves. Buddy, leave her alone. Let's go.
Okay, everyone, we have an all clear.
Hold on a second. The blob! It covers the buttercup. She just wanted to keep us warm and cozy when we had our meals. But she's out there somewhere in the cold. Cap, get Moss and Thorn and show them the blob on the buttercup. Lilac, Thistle, we have to find Daffodil.
Careful, everyone. We have to watch where we're going or we'll... do that. Trip on a piece of yarn.
Wait, yarn? Daffodil's yarn? She must be nearby, but she'll never hear us call over the wind. Oh, how are we going to find her? Follow the yarn! Watch out for the prickles!
Ouch! Too late.
Daffodil, we finally figured out what you were knitting. We're so sorry we didn't let you explain. Won't you please come back to the village with us?
No.
No?
Not yet, I mean. I came out here to think about what you all said about my blanket, and I was a little hurt. And then I realised, just because something's useful doesn't mean it can't look nice too.
But now that we know what it's for, it's the most beautiful thing we've ever seen. Stylish, even.
Thank you, Lilac. Coming from you, that means a lot. But don't you think this would perk it up? Will you all help me carry it back to the village?
Of course we will.
I can't hold any longer!
Oh, thank goodness we had our poppy shoots.
The wind is really picking up. If ever there was a time to use this, blanket.
Blob, a knit blob, handmade by all the lilybuds.
Sure, whatever you want to call it, but now's the time.
This is so cozy and warm, Daff. Purple would have been a nice color for a blob. Maybe I should learn to knit.
No!